Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Boombox mod in Lethal Company. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First of all, make sure to download the Thunderstore mod manager from the official website. After that, run the mod manager and you will be able to see this kind of interface. After that, locate the Lethal Company game and create a new profile if you don't have one. Now go to the Get Mods tab, search for custom Boombox music and download this mod by Steven. After that, search for Boombox sync and download this mod by Future Savior. Once the mods are downloaded, go to the Settings tab and open this feature to set the music folder location. Simply select the Lethal Company folder. Go to Profiles, select the profile you install the mods in. Open this folder and then create a new folder inside it. Now name it Custom Songs. Then again, create a new folder inside it and name it Boombox Music. Just move the music files into it and play the game. So that's basically how you can install Boombox mod in Lethal Company. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.